Hello everyone, my name is Vinda Sharma and welcome back to Idea Usher, your go-to channel for all the latest tech innovations and app reviews. I am a representative of Idea Usher and I have got something really interesting in store for all the users today. Our team has worked tirelessly to develop an application called Rairplay for our esteemed client. It is a clone of applications such as Wynk or Spotify. In a nutshell, it is a platform, it is a music platform for all the indie artists out there who love sharing their music tracks with the audiences. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. But before talking about its exciting new features, I'm going to tell the users how to sign up for the app. Okay, so once the users have downloaded the app from the Play Store, they have to click on next, then continue. Okay, now they have to set up a new profile as they are signing into the app. So for that, they have to add in their mobile number. Tick on this box that says "I agree to the terms and policies," and then click on the "Send OTP" button right here. They also have the option of signing in through their Apple, Facebook, or Google account. So click on "Send OTP." After that, they have to add in their mobile numbers and then they have to enter the OTP that has come on their registered numbers. They also have the option of changing the number or resending the OTP if they haven't received it. Then click on continue. After that, they have to add in their names. Click on continue. Then they have to enable the location. After that, they have to select the languages in which they would like to listen the music from different languages. Then after selecting the languages, they have to click on continue once again. Then they have to select the genres of their choice. They can choose up to five. Click on continue, and that's it. They will get signed up for the app. Okay, so once the users are through with the sign up process, this is the home page that will appear in front of them. The whole application is completely user friendly and very, very easy to navigate through. It has unique features to offer, such as radio music, rare play score, location based music recommendations, advanced music analytics, and more. On the home page, users will be able to see different segments. There is a segment on live concert, then there is a trending track segment, then choose a station, then based on rare play score and popular artists. I will talk about each one of them in detail. Let's come on the trending tracks section. If once they click on the see all button right here, all the latest tracks, the list of all the latest tracks will appear in front of them, which they can listen to. They can go back from here. Then there is a choose a station. Click on the see all button. Then there are different genres which they can select from. If they want to listen to the trending songs or eternal hits, or whether they are in a mood to listen to rock music, or whether they want to listen to rap music, or they just want to listen to some relaxing music, then they have this huge library of genres to choose from. They can go back from here, and once back on the home page, there is another segment called based on rare play score. Then once they click on the see all button, the application is going to show them all the latest tracks that the other users are streaming or listening to. And then there is a separate section on popular artists which they can listen to. Apart from this, there is also a bell icon on the top. Once they click on it, all the notifications and updates regarding the application, regarding their profile on this app, they will get it right in this section. They can, once they click on the cross button, it will get them back on the home page. Okay, so this was the home section. Then there is a radio segment. in the radio segment, there are different types of segment. There is an active service station. There is featured channels. Once the users click on the see all button in front of the featured channels, there is a list of all the latest channels that will appear in front of them, offering different kinds of music which they can listen to. They can go back from here, and then there is the same section, the genre section. Choose a station. They can click on the see all button, and they can select from the variety of genres they would like to listen to. Then there is a specific segment on playlists. Once they click on that, it will show all the songs downloaded by the users, as well as the different kinds of playlists created by them. If they wish to create a new playlist, then all they need to do is click on this plus button right here, then generate a name for that playlist and click on create. And then all they need to do is add the specific songs which they like to that specific playlist. If there is a specific song that the users would like to listen to, then they have to go on the search section. They have to put the name of the song in the search bar. Just to take an example, if we click on Nice for What, then it is going to show all the search results by that name. It will, if the users click on artists, it's going to show all the name of the artist by that name, all the albums by that name, and all the songs by that. Okay, so once back on the home screen, there is another interesting feature for the users. They have the option of rating the song they are listening to. Just to take an example, they can click on a music track, listen to it, and in order to rate it, they can click on the stars. They can rate it as per the 5-star scale. They can also add the reviews, it is optional, and they can click on submit after that. Then there are other options as well. They can download the song, add it to their specific playlist, view the artist info. If they click on it, all the details regarding the artist, their followers, their albums, their songs, their genre will appear in front of them. They also can choose to follow or unfollow the artist. And once back on this page, users also have the option of sharing the song on these different platforms. Okay, apart from this search section, there is also a profile section on the right hand side in the corner. Once the users click on it, there are different components. They will see their name and a mobile number, as well as their profile picture if they have set it. They will find all these details here. Once they click on the account settings, it will show them their name and mobile number and other such details which they had put when they were setting up their profile on the app. They can choose to, they have the option of editing these details, editing their profile picture, choosing another picture, updating their email address and other such things as per their preferences. Just to take an example, if they wish to edit their number, then they have to enter another number and then click on the update button. Then they have to enter the OTP that has been sent on their registered mobile number and click on submit. Once they click on submit, their number will be changed successfully. They have to click on OK, and they will be back in this section. Then there is a segment on general settings. There are different components here. There is location, language, genre, and audio quality. If they click on location, they can detect location. They also have the option of, at first when they were setting their account, they have the option of allowing the app to access their location, so that the app can show them the music rated by regions or areas, as well as the local artists and their works, so that they can listen to them. They can go back from here, and if they click on the next section, that is language, they can choose or drop any music languages as per their choice. Apart from this, there is the genre section. Again, they can make new choices, edit, make new choices, select new genres as per their interests. And they can also go to the audio quality section to select the audio quality, whether they want it high or medium or low. And once they go back from here, they will be back into this section. Then there are the subscription plans. If the users click on it, there are different plans, monthly plans as well as yearly plans. Users get to listen to different tracks, any track basically. In these plans, they get to download music offline and listen to them when they have no internet connectivity. They get to listen to high quality music as well as music without advertisements. So, just to take an example, if they select the monthly plan, then they have to click on this, click on the circle, and then click on pay. Once they do, all the details will appear in front of them: the rating, the policy, account, as well as the price, which will be deducted from their account. Once they click on confirm, and after adding all the details, their payment will be successful. They also have the option of auto renewing their subscription, and if they wish to cancel their subscription, then they can do so anytime. And once they go back from here, um, they will be back on this page. Then there is a section on rating the application. We will come to this. Apart from this, there is the help section. Once the users click on it, there are terms and conditions which they can go through. There is the privacy policy which they can read, and apart from this, there is information on the application which they can also go through. Once they go back from here, there is also the option of logging out. If they wish to do that, then they can click on the logout button. And as I had mentioned it before, when it comes to rating the application, users also have the option of doing that. They just need to click on the rate the app button. After that, this page will appear in front of them. They can rate the app on this 5-star scale. They can add their reviews, write about their feedback, which they have for the application, which the app can use to improve their services, and then click on submit. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all next time.